Introducing the Athlete Management MyPlan, revolutionizing the way athletes achieve optimal health and peak performance. First, we assess potential movement dysfunctions, uncovering hidden limitations that could be holding you back. Next, we correct these issues through our specialized motion therapy programming, laying the foundation for improved performance. Third, we advance to our comprehensive sport and fitness programs. Here, we don't just focus on traditional fitness traits like strength and speed. We incorporate our exclusive athletic neurogenic drills to enhance both physical and cognitive function. Fourth, we provide sound sport nutritional principles, vital for fueling your body and aiding in system repair. Finally, we emphasize restoration methods, ensuring proper regeneration and rest before training or competition. At Aruka, we understand that true athletic excellence comes from optimizing your body's internal wiring, your nervous system. Our goal is to improve your movement IQ, expanding your movement bank and unlocking your full athletic potential. The Wired Athletic Performance System, where science meets performance.